It might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Sunshine, she's here, you can take a break. I'm a hot air balloon that could go to space. With the air, like I don't care, baby, by the way. Bring me down, can't nothing bring me down. The love is too high to bring me down. Can't nothing bring me down. I said, because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Hey, clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Come on. It might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Sunshine, she's here, you can take a break. I'm a hot air balloon that could go to space. With the air, like I don't care, baby, by the way. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Here come bad news, talking this and that. Well, give me all you got and don't hold it back. Well, I should probably warn you, I'll be just fine. No offense to you, don't waste your time. Here's why. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Hey, go! Bring me down, can't nothing bring me down. The love is too high to bring me down. Can't nothing bring me down. I said, bring me down. Can't nothing bring me down. The love is too high to bring me down. Can't nothing bring me down. I said, because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof.
Happy birthday, Tatay Lito!
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 Happy birthday, Tatay Lito. Magpakalakas ka, magpakatatag ka dahil nakamit na natin ang tagumpay sa labang ito, sa pinagdadaanan natin ngayon at pinagdadaanan mo rin personally. Masaya kami dahil ikaw yung naging tatay namin. And maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga tinuro mo sa akin. Tinuruan mo kung paano magmaneho, tinuruan mo kung magbike. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng tinuro mo sa akin. Muli, happy birthday sa iyo, Tatay. We love you.
Nag-asat nga panakadaanon mo, ti panakayanak mo dito. Sapay ko makinyapo yun sa makarawar ka, ti mabiit ngal daw. Sa adun ngal daw ang barong, ti panagigyan mo dito sa ospitalin. Adu karkararag ni, ti panaka agas mo, panagimbag mo, panakarawar mo, sa agsubli ko dagiti dati nga panaglangan-langan tayo, ti panagkasangay mo nga nakaragragsa tayo, ket sapay ko ta masubyan ang tuanin dagita nga kanito, mauray kunto pa'y dagita nga kanito, nga naragsak kayo, magtitipon, tipan na kay anak mo baro. Agawaan, tagpalaing, niya po Diyos, ni mangipay, na spiritual nga agas mo, lumain ka, darat. Nagasat ka pan na kay anak mo. God bless you, Lito. I love you, Lito. Oh, ito na.
Happy birthday, Kuya Lito. May God give you all happiness and fulfill your dreams on your birthday. Get well soon, Kuya. Dito lang kami laging nagdadasal para sa kagalingan mo. Miss ka na namin, Kuya. Thank you for everything. We love you, Kuya. Happy birthday. God bless you in your birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Kuya.
Kuya Tulits, happy birthday. Wala akong hiling na iba kundi yung totally na pag-recover mo na. Ako din pareho lang tayong nagre-recover. Pero sana itong birthday mo, wini-wish ko na na sana gumaling ka na rin ng tuluyan para makabalik ka na rin sa dating gawi. At ayun, wag lang tayong sumuko, laban lang, mabait ang Diyos, hindi tayo pababayaan, gagaling tayo. Naniniwala ako na pagkagalingin tayo ng paniniwala natin. Kaya alam ko naman mas palakas ka nga kay Lord kaysa sa akin dahil yung paniniwala mo. Kumbaga napakasolid na. Ako nga kumbaga nafe-feel ko na gumagaling na ako dahil sa paniniwala ko din. So, much more sa'yo. Mas malakas ka kay Panginoon. Kaya, I'm sure, gagaling ka niyan, Kuya. Kaya, happy birthday ulit. At sana, enjoy lang. Enjoy mo yung buhay. Yung araw-araw. Thankful tayo lagi. Sige na, Kuya, happy birthday ulit. Enjoy your birthday.
Happy birthday po, Mang Lito. Sana po magpagaling kayo. Yan lang po ang wish ko sa birthday nyo. Sana gumaling po kayo sa gaya po ng wish ng inyong pamilya. Happy birthday po ulit.
Tayo dito. Uy, lapit na pala birthday mo. Happy birthday, pare, 64 ka na. Thank you, pare. Pareho tayong libra. Thank you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday po, Tito. Wish ko for you is to have a happy day and with your family and loved ones and close friends. I also wish for your good health and more wealth.
Happy birthday, Lito.
Hi, pare. Happy birthday. Wish ko ay magkaroon pa kayo ng maraming birthday. Alam kong positive lang kayo sa mga pangyayari. Nandiyan si God, napakalakas nyo kaya kay Lord. Kaya enjoy lang, pare. Everything will be okay. God is in control of everything. Mahabang buhay, pare. Happy birthday!
Hi bro, Lito, magandang gabi. Happy birthday. Galing ka bro, para makapag-banding tayo ulit. Happy birthday, God bless.
Happy birthday, Kuya Lito. Pagaling ka po. God bless you po. Kapit lang, kaya natin yan. Kasama natin ang Diyos. Happy birthday!
Good morning. And happy birthday to you. May you have more birthdays to come. Alam nyo, ang pamilya mo, tsaka ikaw at ang iyong pamilya, kinukonsider kong second family. Siguro nga, kaya nga pati birthday natin pareho, talagang pinagtali ng Diyos ang ating mga buhay. Ang aking dalangin sa iyong kaarawan na nawa, tawaan tayo ng Diyos sa mga panalangin natin, lalo na sa kagalingan mo. At nawa, magkaroon ka ng mahabang buhay. Patuloy. Provide ng Panginoon ang mga pangangailangan mo. Kailangan ninyo sa pagpapagamot mo. At patuloy natin dalangin na we can recover from this. Again, happy birthday and more birthday to come.
Happy birthday, bro! Alam ko, ang great gift sa'yo ng Lord. Bigyan ka pa ng maraming blessed birthdays to come. Kaya, cheers! Enjoy ka lang. God bless. Bye-bye.
Hi, Congressman! Happy birthday! Alam mo, love na love ka namin. Kaya naman, hindi ka namin makakalimutan sa birthday mo ito dahil napaka-special na araw na ito para sa amin at higit sa lahat para sa Diyos. Papasalamat kami sa Panginoon sa buhay mo dahil kaibigan ka namin, kumpare ka namin, marami, more than a brother, our relationship. I know na yung pinagdadaanan mo mahirap, but you know you're such a blessing to us kasi kahit mahirap, I saw in your face that you smile, and really, it's a blessing for us. Tatagan mo ang loob mo, pare. Malalampasan mo rin yan. Nandyan ang pamilya mo, nandito kami, na laging nananalangin sa'yo. Pare, mahal na mahal ka namin.
Oo nga, tama, paring Mo. You are more than a brother. You are a sister too. Pare, magpagaling ka para naman makalakwatsa na tayo.
Yeah, oo.
Punta tayo kung saan mo gusto, punta natin.
Ilocos, Amerika, Canada, France, Tagudin, kahit saan mo gusto, pare.
Tondo,
Cavite, kahit saan mo gusto, pare. O, paano, pare? Pagaling ka, ha? Transplant ko na next week. Get ready. We love you. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday! Love you.
Happy birthday, Tatay Lito. I am praying na sana gumaling ka na at makasama ka na namin ulit. We love you, Tay.
Get well.
Magaling ka, Tatay. Tayo pagbalik mo dito, mamimimit tayo ng isda. Yan, happy birthday, Tay. Pagaling ka lagi.
Love you.
Bye-bye.
Hi, Tay. Happy birthday.
Hi, Tay. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Love you. Ako'y nagpapasalamat sa Lord kasi niloob niya lang makabalik ako rito para ikaw bantayan ko. Siyempre, yun yung pray ko na bigyan ako ng Lord para makabalik ako dito para bantayan ka. Especially yung birthday mo, siyempre, para masaya, di ba? Thank you, Lord. Dahil 64 ka na, ko ireregalo sa iyo ng Panginoon yung magalingan mo. Salamat sa Lord. Dami-daming nagpipray sa iyo. Di ba, sabi mo lagi, kung yan, kaya mo yan, kakayanin ko lahat para sa inyong mga pamilya ko. Di ba? Kaya, thank you tayo sa Panginoon dahil nalalapit na ang araw ng iyong transplant. Siyempre, thank you, Lord. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Love you.